We're going to start with side lunges with the kettlebell, just to add a little extra weight on this move. You want to do 10 on each side. Moving on to a Romanian deadlift with the kettlebell. You want to make sure you stretch down, keeping your back nice and flat. Pull up and squeeze. Moving on to sumo squats with the kettlebell. Move those feet wider than hip width apart and squat it down. Do a little pulse in between. Lastly, I finished up with some tosses with the slam ball up into the air, doing a squat on each descend. This is Patricia with 88 Fitness Training. Hit that like button and subscribe. Comment below.